Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Optima side mirror. First, gather all the necessary tools like a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new replacement mirror. Make sure you have the correct mirror for your specific vehicle model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. This step provides access to the mirror's wiring and mounting points. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector attached to the old mirror. Finally, use a socket wrench to unbolt the 3 mounting nuts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Now, take your new side mirror and carefully position it onto the door. Secure it firmly by tightening the 3 mounting nuts you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting everything back together, it's a good idea to test the mirror's power adjustments and turn signal functions. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely in place. Double-check that the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals are working correctly. Finally, give the new mirror glass a good clean to ensure optimal visibility for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.